If you also feel like you're low on energy, then this video is definitely for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Manan Vora. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine specialist by profession, and I'm here to talk about protein deficiency, its symptoms, and how to know if you have it. If you feel tired quickly these days, or you can see a difference on your face, then this video is definitely going to help you. Most people tend to go through changes such as low energy levels, low stamina, having brittle nails, and much more. This can be due to a protein deficiency. Normally, the easiest way to calculate your protein intake is to consider this formula. You need 1 to 1.5 gram protein per kg of your body weight every day. लेकिन हमें कैसे पता चल सकता है कि हमारे प्रोटीन लेवल्स सही है या नहीं? अगर हम कुछ पॉइंट्स को ध्यान रखें तो ये इंडिकेशन दे सकता है कि हमें प्रोटीन की कमी हो रही है या नहीं। नंबर 1, फीलिंग टायर्ड। जैसा कि मैंने पहले भी मेंशन किया था, एक डायरेक्ट सिम्टम होता है हमारे एनर्जी लेवल्स का कम होना। प्रोटीन गिव्स अस स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्टैमिना एंड प्रोवाइड्स सपोर्ट टू आवर बेसिक मसल सिस्टम एज वेल। तो अगर हमें एडिक्वेट प्रोटीन नहीं मिलता है तो हमारी बॉडी हमारे मसल से ही वो प्रोटीन निकालने लग जाती है। A quick check can be to take a look at your collarbones. If they are becoming more and more prominent, you need to get your protein levels checked. Number 2, cravings. अगर आपको बार बार कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है, especially कुछ मीठा, तो ये भी प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी का एक सिम्टम हो सकता है। Since our body breaks down protein slowly, our blood sugar level also goes up and down when we eat and digest. So we automatically start craving sweet food to help stabilize our blood sugar. तो हम अपनी डाइट को ट्वीक कर सकते हैं. Consume proteins with carbs so that food gets digested slowly and blood sugar levels are maintained. Number 3, facing hair fall. Most people actually might see visible differences in their appearance. Hair thinning or hair fall, skin looking dull and dry, brittle nails, all of these are symptoms of a protein deficiency. As discussed earlier कि अगर आपकी बॉडी को पूरी तरह से प्रोटीन नहीं मिलता है तो बॉडी इंटरनली कहीं और से प्रोटीन लेना शुरू कर देती है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमारे बालों में भी प्रोटीन होता है, केराटिन के फॉर्म में। हमारी बॉडी को जब प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी हो जाती है तो वो पूरी तरह से कोशिश करती है प्रोटीन को कंजर्व करने के लिए। Since the protein production in our hair becomes low, our hair starts to become thin and fall. Number 4, irregular menstrual cycle. For women, this can be one of the quickest ways to check if your body is healthy or going into some kind of deficiency. एक protein rich diet से आपका menstrual cycle regulate हो सकता है और आपकी body में fertility को भी promote कर सकता है. Since a poor diet can trigger a hormonal imbalance, it can also go into a protein breakdown. इसमें आपके मसल्स की हेल्थ और भी पुअर हो जाती है और फीमेल्स में ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस के भी चांसेस बढ़ सकते हैं। इसके अलावा और भी सिम्टम्स हो सकते हैं जैसे कि वीकनेस, फ्लेकी स्किन, स्टमक ब्लोटिंग, लिवर फेलियर, पोरस बोन्स एंड ब्रेन फॉग, जहां पे आपको कंफ्यूजन, फॉरगेटफुलनेस या फोकस करने में दिक्कत हो। These can be considered symptoms of a severe deficiency and they should not be ignored either. One of the easiest ways to counter it is to start increasing your protein intake through protein supplements. When we take protein heavy dishes or ingredients, we're not able to fulfill our individual protein requirement. The nutrients might get lost due to improper cooking styles or using wrong utensils, or even because when cooking for a family, everyone might not get the required protein amount. This is why protein supplements are so beneficial, and which is the best one? It's HK Vital's Protein Up Women. इसमें है 60% ट्रिपल ब्लेंड प्रोटीन, वे, सोय एंड कोलेजन which helps build muscle mass and strength, Garcinia cambogia and green tea extract to help with your weight management, 100% RDA of biotin and collagen with powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and E to help maintain strong hair and healthy skin. And now we also have HK Vital's Protein Up Women in a vegetarian variant as well. तो आपकी जो भी डाइट प्रेफरेंस या लाइफस्टाइल हो, आप आराम से अपना प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा कर सकते हैं। In this video, if you've heard of any symptom and you actually feel that someone in your family or your friend is actually suffering from a protein deficiency, तो टेंशन मत लो। We also have informative videos lined up for you which talk about how to bring up your protein levels with the help of food and supplements. I hope this video gave you some important insights into just how important protein is for all of us. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on YouTube. See you in the next video.